that type of shit. Hold up.
I've been watching. Hey,
Maybe
you got it on camera now. You ain't got him on camera doing that.
Hold up, show.
No,
Maybe
this the thing.
Ain't nothing talking about. Ain't nothing talking about.
maybe
Hey, bro.
Me neither.
Hey, bro.
maybe know it.
I ain't
Hold
trying
up,
to hear that,
bro. We
bro.
don't know that
Too much
bullshit.
respect right there.
No, it ain't.
We been
Shit
watching
right
this shit
Nah,
forever.
you talked all that fly shit when I was on the phone.
Bro,
You called.
my motherfucker.
Listen to what your
Ain't
dad
no,
said,
bro.
Listen, bro.
You talked all that fly shit when I was on the
Can I
phone.
talk?
Nah, nigga, I'm talking. You talked all that fly shit when I was on the phone. Now I'm standing right here.
My dad don't want to cut nothing on me.
Hey, bro, nah, that's bullshit, bro. The nigga said it. I don't give a fuck about none of that. I don't give a fuck about none of that.
Just like she love me.
We gonna handle it. It's gonna get handled. All right, it's gonna get handled.
We don't even do that.
Why you want to point out the business?
We don't got that
Who
talk.
did it for me so he can handle the business, my man?
I tried to tell him that we been
You ain't try to tell me
neighborhood
nothing,
forever.
huh? You ain't try to tell me nothing, huh?
I said, bro, I've been watching that with me. I said, I'm watching that put me down, man. You don't want to listen.
Nah, but look, on the phone, look what I'm saying. He came pressing my young niggas about the pressure wash, the Migos. When they told him we don't got nothing to do with that, he said, y'all stole my shit, I got something for you. The next day, the shit get cut.
No. He just telling me what happened.
You see what I'm saying?
We gonna handle it.
But look,
Come on,
my
don't
dad
worry
ain't
about it.
Y'all go look at the camera. My dad ain't on that type of shit.
All right, you talked all that fly shit though. I'm standing here now though. You talked all that fly shit.
You mean I said my shit got stolen?
What you mean?
My shit got stolen.
Ain't nobody. Hey, bro, you talked all that fly shit when I was on the phone.
I told
I
you,
said, I'm
bro.
not there.
I talked to you,
Nah,
and you
nah,
know
nah,
that.
but
look,
let me
I
tell you
said-
for free.
me-
Bro, you know
I
how we
said,
do
yo,
this.
hey,
We
my
do
dad
the
went
free,
up.
okay,
These two
we
don't
do
got
that.
their own
My
shit.
shit on me.
I said, don't worry about it.
So now we out.
Ain't no city.
Fuck you.
These two I never said no shit. When you ain't your
Come on, coach. Come on, coach. Let go, bro. Let go, bro. Let go. Come on, that's why I said I need that camera. You feel me? Nigga ain't gonna come do that. He sit right there. I know that.
Yeah.
I need the camera, coach. Let's do it, coach. Come on. Hey, bro.
Yeah, we will never take that, hey, bro. We'll never take that from him. Look at your camera, bro.
Hey, listen. Okay, listen. Going forward, bro. Y'all know y'all. You be right here, bro.
Take that shit off of there.
You
Take
know
all
me,
that
bro.
shit. Take all that
Shout
shit
out,
off of there,
you know
bro.
me, though.
Hey, listen.
We don't walk like that.
Going forward, bro.
We don't walk like that, though. We'll protect you like you should protect
My
that, bro.
nigga, I'm building
That's
a
all
house
we do
out.
right here.
Building a
That's
house
all
out.
we
Somebody
do.
do something. It's a problem.
Listen,
I'm not trying to hear that. This nigga was talking breezy.
Hey, listen, bro.
He know exactly what the fuck I'm talking about.
But he said he did talk crazy on the phone. He told us, man, the man said out his mouth, I got something for y'all. Now, how would you feel, my nigga? The next day, we talking at 8 o'clock at night. The next day, though. Bro, we was on FaceTime with him.
No, I'm talking about to see who cut the damn.
But think about it like this, bro. If a man tell you what he gonna do, you would do the same shit.
Yeah, it's all respect. Bro. We
Yeah,
love
bro.
man.
You know what I'm saying, man?
But just look out going forward, bro. Make sure nobody on you feel me.
That's our fault, just like that's our fault.
All right.
For real, y'all just came. This is our fault 20 years.
It's good, bro. It's cool. Man, sometimes when you on these properties and these projects, bro, people come in, they want to vandalize. When you see them, bro, you got to let them know this real life. You can't just get away with that. You push up on them, man. You feel me? You make sure they understand it's respect. This for Auntie. This ain't for us, man. You know what I'm saying? So when you see it, you got to address it. Other than that, they're going to try you no matter where you go.
Nigga been gone for the last couple of days.
This is what they don't show y'all in construction. We go inside, wires cut, everything going crazy. Keep y'all boys tuned.
See this?
Yeah.
They cut
Now, you
this.
know this box hot though, Cliff.
I know. They cut this to this, because that's the one for that one outlet right there. So that's why they didn't have power earlier. So all he gonna do is, you got peep. He gonna find the wire right here. It's right here.
Yeah.
It's right. I mean,
Yeah.
it's on the wall.
Yeah. He can't tie it in at the panel and
Nah, they gotta be a straight run, bro.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, you can't do that. No, that shit opened up. You see how it opened up since you was there?
This Cliff the electrician is what they call him. Carpenter Cliff back in the day.
That's an old nail. But it must be on this side. Hey.
I'm gonna give Cliff a change order for this installation. It's $10 in installation.
Hey. So, what time? Oh yeah? What you got going on out here? What you coming out here for? Look. You just run this up like that?
So we found a wire for this outlet that they cut from the panel right here. This is the disconnect. We traced it up through the ceiling and found it coming down right here.
That's it.
And Carpenter Cliff located it
So he's going to take the staple and just pop the staple open and then just trace this all the way up the wall. And then that motherfucker going to be right through there like that. That's all. See, here go the wire right here.
Yep.
See
Oh, yeah, it's right
that
there.
little yellow wire. Motherfucker come right here, boom. So all this is just, you just slice this real quick, pop it, run it, boom. That's done. But he got to do the same thing. But luckily, all of this shit is in the ceiling.
Exposed.
The only difference is this, though. I'm going to tell you the only difference. Only difference is these. These is where, see this shit? Look, see how it was going around?
Yeah.
So basically, you're going to take this, right? You're going to find it up here somewhere. Because it ain't coming from the ceiling if you look up.
Right.
It's coming from the side, right? So, I'm going to take this motherfucker. Here it go right here. So boom, and then it's probably going. So what's going to end up happening is this guy come out.
Right.
Not all of it, but the trace of it.
The line, just the building.
Yeah, that's all. Because this right here, all might be one line. See this shit?
Yeah.
All this probably on the same line.
Yeah. One breaker.
I mean, see, all this cool. All this cool. See that shit? But all this on one breaker. All the way around. You know what I'm saying? Then it stop here. There's another one. There's another one for that shit. You know what I'm saying? So, really all it is, like I said, we just gonna run it. Then we can press it through. So, it's cool. It's cool. But how we gonna rock tomorrow?
Well, what he doing, it shouldn't take that long.
It shouldn't take that long. Nigga, what? This motherfucker. Dog, this motherfucker. Well, yeah, once he slice it.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
You see the same thing you said the first day they cut it, the installation. You was like, you can't do it. Installation got done.
Yeah, but they started in the attic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sheetrock is fucking in here. So.
They got to do the ceilings before they can do the walls, Cliff.
Yeah, but the ceilings is going to require some of the wire. Remember, that shit coming down. They got to replace that shit.